Nigerian imagination and expectation, because they believe by holding nnamdikanu will curb everything. They never knew that it will worsen the whole issue. So which has taken place now. And as it is now, the spirit is high. The tension is high. Everything is high. And everybody is on a high tension. Ready to release. Ready to do what? To release.
Do you think the status governor and the politicians are the one, not wanting nnamdikanu, Tinubu to release nnamdikanu?
Listen and listen good. Who is Mr. President? Who is #1 citizen of Nigeria? I am asking, why are you saying the Southeast governors? Okay, when Tinubu remove, he say subsidy is gone. Southeastern governors or other governors, did they stop that? I am asking. So why are you saying the Southeast governors are the ones holding nnamdikanu or stuff? It's Tinubu himself that is holding nnamdikanu.
No, according to Ohaneze, that's what they are saying.
I have told you before, Ohaneze are organization of men who organize themselves to root money from Nigerian government into their personal purse. So I know not any group called Ohaneze. So anything they are saying is not relevant as long as Biafra is concerned. They are not fighting for us. They are fighting for their purse. Thank you.
But according to what they said, the AGF, they said the AGF and the Southeast governor, he has at one time, sit for the Southeast politicians as regards not releasing nnamdikanu.
The AGF, Fagbemi, Nigeria and the Eastern governors, they are playing a political game with the Mass and nnamdikanu. What they are saying and they are sitting, they say have been playing before now. Nnamdikanu asked them a question, the elders as at that time. You are saying that these people, we are one, and these people has promised us many things before now, and they have never fulfilled anyone. So what they are you saying is a political statement. So they say another thing and they will do another thing. So we believe in action. Are you getting it? So now we don't have trust in their saying. We don't believe on what they are saying. We believe in ourselves, what by the grace of God we are going to achieve, and that is Biafra.
And that's Biafra.
Nothing than Biafra.
Well, according to nnamdikanu, we saw what he said in court. Do you think, even before it comes out or before it's released, do you think? Because according to Ekpa, he came and said that nnamdikanu still believes in what it stands for. That is because of himself and what he has done. That is what Ekpa is doing. Do you think December 2nd, the restoration will be fulfilled?
Listen to me, my brother. If you follow up on Tuesday, you will find out that based on the movement, the statement of that young man called Nnamdikanu, the legend, you will discover very well that Nnamdikanu is aware of Simon Akpan, and Simon Akpan is aware of Nnamdikanu. They both know each other and they understand each other. Are you getting it? Forget what anybody can come outside and start to rant and talk anyhow. Are you getting it? Yeah. So they know what they are, because even Nnamdikanu make a statement. He said they're going to kill us. We will kill them even before he was arrested. And after that, Biafra will come. He have already said it before he was arrested. Okay, whether one to kidnap or arrest, whichever one, but he have made a statement before that. So, and what is happening now, let me tell you, he has played his own role and Nigeria say no. So another person is playing another role now, and that is the role of Biafra. We must get to what Biafra. And there is something I want you to understand. When you, Bible said that we should follow all men with a peace. But whereby you come in peace, and peace did not bring peace, then you go with the pieces in order to gain peace. Are you hearing me? Right from the days of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffer violence. Violence take it by force. That is the word of God. That is Bible. So when you come in peace and men refuse to do what? To embrace peace, then give them what they want. By the time you give them one, if what they want is what will bring peace, give it to them. Are you getting it? So if a man now come, he came with the peace, and Nigeria did not embrace peace, then Simon Akpan came in his own way. If that a one way now, because I believe that with the Simon Akpan now, the thing has gone viral, even beyond Nigerian imagination and expectation, because they believe by holding nnamdikanu will cover everything. They never knew that it will worsen the whole issue. So which has taken place now, and as it is now, the spirit is high, the tension is high, everything is high, and everybody is on a high tension, ready to release, ready to do what? To release. Like when a man is on top of a woman, when he reach some certain level, it will come to the light, to the time of what? To pour. You pour what is inside of you. So we are on that tension now, on that level now, to pour. Thank you.
So lastly, the AGF, do you not think it's at time, they really come together with the, just like you said, you don't believe that it's the Southeast politician as holding nnamdikanu, that Tinubu is the one. But what of the Southeast politician tells the AGF and Tinubu that, releasing nnamdikanu will still cause more problem for us? We want him to head back in the DSS office. Do you think the Tinubu, is the one that is holding him, just like you said? Do you not think the Southeast government, do you not think they have the right to tell Tinubu to still hold him back?
Listen and listen good. Mr. Governor of Enugu State, Mba, Peter Mba, ever since we have been complaining and talking, he has been misbehaving. But now they give him a just more. Boom! He humble himself. He just adjusts. Are you hearing me?
Yeah.
When Nnamdikanu is still in detention, is there peace in the Southeast? Is things going well in the Southeast? Southeast of 3-4 years ago, is it the same Southeast of today? The Southeast of 2 years ago, is this the same Southeast of today? Southeast of last year is not a Southeast of this year. Southeast of 3 months ago is not Southeast of September. September now Southeast is different from Southeast of June. And that is how it will continue. Mazen Nnamdikanu is still in detention. Release him or not, there will be no peace until Biafra come. Are you hearing me? Are you listening to me? They say no peace until what? Biafra come. So, and if I were AGS and Tinubu, do you know what I will do? I will quickly release Mazen Nnamdikanu. May una take una package, because the man is exposing Nigeria the more. The man is exposing Nigeria the more, disgracing Nigeria the more, doing more other things. Are you getting it? So if I were him, the president, I will release Mazen Nnamdikanu. Mazen Nnamdikanu said that him will stop the insecurity. Are you getting it? They would have tried that. They would have done what? Okay, they go. Of which, if they let him go, he has the charisma, he has the policy, he has the word. He said that him will stop. He said that him will stop the what? Insecurity. And let them release him now. Only him that know how what he will do to stop the insecurity. Are you getting it? Because they themselves do not even know and they cannot stop it. Why not to release him? But it will be a shame. That's why they don't want to release him. It's a shame. They are ashamed. They are ashamed because of all the rubbish they have said against him. Are you getting it? So that is why.
But Nayako is frustrated and our conscience is judging her as regards nnamdikanu spirit and 70 million Biafrans. Do you think that's because she's scared or our conscience is judging her?
Yes, look at the consciousness first, like you just said.
Yes.
You know, she's conscious first, then look at the law. Okay, let us even remove conscience. Let's not look as if it's a personal thing. Let's look at what did the law say. And then, and actually, where did they say they tied him that he committed the offense? Did he commit the offense in Nigeria? Did he commit the offense in Abuja? Did he commit the offense in Lagos? Where did he actually commit that offense? He committed that offense as been alleged. You know, they wrote a statement now. There was a statement say, you committed so and so thing, you did so and so thing, so and so thing, so and so place. Then, is that the reason why you go beyond the international court in law that guys binds the Commonwealth nation? You went to a Commonwealth nation like Nigeria, which is Kenya, and you abducted a Commonwealth citizen. They don't know what they are doing. Oh yeah, we have gone to the court, the same court, to the Supreme Court. They said this man is innocent. No, Bintaya actually, according to revelations we had lately, knew that this matter is just being financed by some people, you know, and based on his status as a justice of that case, you know, he need to struggle with it for some time. And it has come to a point, you know, that the whole world has begun to make mockery of the judicial process. He had no other thing than to look at it very clearly and say, we cannot to keep Nnamdikanu adjourn in the next 100 years. There's no law that can hold him down in Nigeria. Then take him to UK. I think we have been saying it here before. Even when we saw it, you know, that it was illegally renditioned back to Nigeria. Then what did the international law says? What did the Nigerian law says? Then what is the Commonwealth bilateral relationship says? It's just like where we have Benin as a kingdom. Benin still have Commonwealth colonies around him till today. This Benin Empire is saying. And if you come to that level, then we activate it. Britain, it has Commonwealth. Nations colonized by the British government. That's what they call Commonwealth, which Kenya is one. Then Nigeria is also under Commonwealth. You went to another Commonwealth nation and abducted without following. So they knew that they were just being vindictive unnecessarily because Nnamdikanu was busy revealing secrets of what is going to come and the need for the Igbo nation to prepare for the consequences to bridge the gap. It's very clear how he stood. Bro, do you know what it means to command such influence? No, bro, no African will do it. Apart from Nelson Mandela, to an extent. Now, in some other countries of the world, now, especially in Africa now, they are making reference. Anybody is talking now. Any analyst, go and check it all over the world now. They are making reference to Nnamdikanu. Did you see that young man in the courts?
It's not going on.
No, it won't happen.
It won't happen. It doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen that way. It doesn't happen that way at all.
Thank you
So
very much.
these are the things that the public must understand. Most of you journalists, the legal correspondents, you don't take time to actually study some of these rulings and judgments. Go and study. In fact, I'll give you this
Bring the envelope.
Give it to High Court, setting aside the
Brown
envelope.
Yes.
Where is it? I'll give it to her because I think she's a bit more.
Give her the shoulder judgment.
More can you hold this for me?
She can.
I want to let the whole world understand something very, very clear. In all this is the judgment of the Supreme Court. It made it very clear that even that the impartiality of the judge is questionable.
Suspect.
And is here. Where is it? Please do bear with me. It says it here. What is it, page? What is that again? Where it says all these things are online. Is it on page 18? All these things are online. So I suggest that the journalists in this country actually take out time to do some basic research. It's not difficult, just minor research. You will understand the vacuousness, the emptiness of all the charges against me.
Okay.
They kept switching the charges. Yes. They said I committed this crime in England, isn't it? Yes. I made a broadcast in England.
Yes.
And in 9 charges leveled against me, this place where I committed this crime was London, in the United Kingdom.
Yes.
When my lawyers came to see me, I had a discussion with them about how I'm going to defend myself.
They removed it.
I told them that no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try me.
They removed that lump.
Because since this offense was committed in England, so they said, it's only a UK court that can give a Nigerian court the authority to proceed, isn't it?
Yeah, based on that, they removed London.
Based on that, they now amended the charge again and removed London.
Location of the broadcast.
Location of the broadcast. Contrary to section 196.
174 of the Terrorism Prevention Act 2022.
In violation of their own laws. Violation of their own laws. And you want me to stand trial under such circumstances? Is that possible? Nnamdikanu to stand trial where these shenanigans are going on?
In the courts, did you see him? Did you see the level of comportment? Did you see the level of exposure? Did you see the level of prowess in him? Did you see the knowledge? Did you see the wisdom in exhibition? Did you see the in Jubilation that was somewhere everybody with the courage, the bravery, the mastery? And they begin to weigh, everybody became silent. They begin to weigh the option. But that thing is, look, if they don't do it, right, they are looking at it from different things. The structures that kept Biafra is still alive. You don't know that there are structures that kept Biafra. Or we should start telling them there are structures that kept Biafra for 4 years and stood against the whole world. I can give you names of countries that fought against Biafra. That's a tiny. And that war brought necessity, and that war brought invention. Today, black man, black Africa are celebrating the ingenuity of 1967, where a white man has no input in the Biafran technology, in the black man's technology. Go to Niger Delta now. Before they dig anything down the ground to extract crude oil from the rock, no, they don't tell you that the crude oil they extracted from the rock. They are hitting the bedrock. And as I laugh at them. They don't know what they are doing. Yes, they believe that when the battles hard, the Igbos will have solution because it is their colony. They are hitting the bedrock and they are extracting crude from there. There's no black man professor in Nigeria that knows how to go dive into the more than 6,000 feet below the ground to deep pipe there, except the white man comes and do it. But the Biafrans did their own without the white man's input. They have been telling them, it looks like what Erofai, the former governor of Kaduna State, said, that the Igbos people are looking at Igbos as if they don't know what politics. That it was them that actually brought democracy. That time will come when that little breath will transform to balloon. They don't know. It has started. The game has started. Somebody was handing over a constitutional ceasefire. The Nigerian press and media turned it to surrender. The son of that man is still alive in the United States of America. The document that connected that ceasefire agreement is still very relevant. That Philip F. Young never surrendered Biafra to anybody. What they had in a conflict like this was a ceasefire. They now come, we are saying Biafrans actually surrendered. It was nothing like that. And he said, as I'm saying, he told Obasanjo, as I'm signing this document, if you fail to treat the children of these people well, their own children will rise. I'm telling about how many decades ago now will rise and question the rationale why they will be treated like that. That is 1, 2, 3. The third one will survive it. We have had the first one, the second one, the third one is survivor. That's what he's telling you, that I, nnamdikanu, will stop the oppression of the black man anywhere in Africa.
I was so confident.
Bro, I'm telling you that Nigerians itself are happy that somebody like Nnamdikanu. Yes, no, I'm telling you, the Northerners are happy, the Hausas are happy that somebody like Nnamdikanu could rise from Nigeria. Everybody is happy. Look at the level of the literacy. No, because they don't know where the guy is coming from. They don't know whether where they are holding is the head or the tail. If you hold him here, he is there. If you hold him here, he's there. So everybody is just, yes, the woman, look at it. No, because you are giving me headache too much. It's okay. Please, I leave this thing for you. No, that's it. Because at any point, at any point, it takes this thing to, people question, Oga, what did the Lord say about this? You open the book. You open the book. That's what Fela Nicholas said. If you doubt what I'm saying, I'll open book for you. What did the book say about this thing? That's what Fela Nicholas said. You look at Nigeria and say, this is okay, I declare my own republic. In Nigeria, Fela. So why is Nnamdikanu's issue a different thing? Because the light to illuminate in darkness is not easy. To produce light in darkness is not easy. A blind man cannot produce light. A blind man, can he know how he's going to do to put matches?
Not possible.
No, that means that for you to be in darkness and produce light, there's something behind it. So that light is what is illuminating, is breathing. And that's more like you're saying, the Bible says that I will multiply. Just like he told Abraham in the Bible. They will ask how this is going to come. How will it come? I don't think my wife cannot even be pregnant. God told Abraham, I will make you the father of nations. I'm old, I can't produce. Is it your business? God was asking Abraham, is it your business? It's not your business. How Biafra will come? Leave it. Everybody today, I can tell you, that's the way they said, pastors, they be church rats. You don't hear them, they're not talking for in a village. If you see the one go marry pastor, they go say, don't go there, I'm a church rat. No marry. But today, what did God do? Did anybody know how God did it? The pastors has come on and told you that their God is rich, and their God is rich. Oh yeah? Can we prove it? They have even employed more than government parastatals. It's a starting point, because in every era, there are always pioneers. These are pioneers. Another set is coming. But we are going to that level that even every one of them, including Obasanjo, are rethinking. Gowon is rethinking, IBB is rethinking, Abu Salam is rethinking. Everybody, one of them is rethinking. Where did we go from here? Where did we go from here? Where did we go from here? The message is that the only solution is to erase. See, if you are talking about something and you are not providing solution, that means you don't know what you're saying. When God told Israel about that, I'm going to restore. Was there anything like Israel at that time? But 4,000 years after, a certain man from Russia, Chen Wisma, started a movement called the Zionist movement. Today, Israel became a nation. Masob came. Yes, Masob. IPOB came. Do you know IPOB was an acclaimed official UN-recognized organization for self-determination.